You ready?
No.
So both sides. Keep your head back for me.
Good morning, y'all. I do not want to vlog today because I'm like extremely tired. This is my first day off since I came back. I do have a couple errands to run today, and I thought I would take you guys with me because today is the day that I go get a part of my car wrapped. So right now, I don't go and do that until 3, so I'm gonna try not to make this long. But right now, I'm gonna go get a smoothie from Arden's Garden. I feel like I'm missing something. Like, I feel really just drained, and I know it's because I haven't gotten any rest. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna attempt to see if I can be a walk-in at the chiropractor because my neck, my shoulders, and my back, they're killing me. So I'm gonna do that. And my last thing is I do want to see if I can get in to get a COVID test. I do get tested. I don't like verbally tell people, but I do go because I figure like I work so close to people, and even though like I have on the N95, like the patient doesn't have on the mask because I have to clean their teeth, and I'm like this close to them on a daily. And I feel like, well, 3 to 4 times a week, sometimes 5. So I'm like, I think I need to just go ahead and try to get it done. I try to go like every month or sometimes twice a month, mainly because 2 reasons. Just out of respect for others. Like, if I go around my family, like, suppose I have it and I'm asymptomatic, like, I would feel bad if I like passed it and didn't know. So I try to still just go get tested. And the other reason is, what was the other reason? I forgot. But it's mainly because I like to go back and forth to South Carolina. And I think the second reason was just for like self-knowledge and just peace of mind. But I'm gonna make a video on that, or clip it somewhere in a video of like all the vitamins and stuff that I take. This is the most I've taken vitamins because I hate vitamins, and I've been forcing them down in any way. Like, normally if it's not a gummy, I'm not taking it. But I got chewables, there's pills, well, like gel capsules, not like hard pills. But I try to keep my immune system up. I try to eat the right thing. Still working on not missing meals because I'm good for that. I'm so good for that. But all right, I'm gonna go get a smoothie. I'm not gonna make this too long, and hopefully I can keep this video between 10-15 minutes. So all right. Hey y'all, so this is where I'm going. I'm going in here to get a drink with some veggies. They remodeled it. It used to be like a fountain. Like, okay, here. This is like the main headquarters, I think, in Atlanta, and there's a couple more locations. But I am going in here. I'll talk to you guys in a few to show you what I got. Oh shit, I don't have a mask. But anyway, today is Thursday. It's 3 o'clock. I have 7 minutes until I get on this telemed call or whatever. I am at the urgent care center trying to get a COVID test. Just to know. I like to do it every now and then because I work so close to people. But I definitely want to do it now because I went out of town. And I just want to know. It's kind of bugging me to know now. But yeah, so they got it. It's kind of easy. Ooh, I put too much. It seems kind of simple. You just go online and you answer the questions, and then you do like the telecall, and then they'll just give you a time slot. and then you just pull up to the, can you see it? Am I holding it right? Yeah, right there. You pull up to the little drive-through thing, and she like swab you or whatever. So I said I was gonna vlog this. This lip gloss in dry skin is not cutting it, but okay. But yeah, it could either be anywhere from me getting the test very soon, or the girl was telling me it may be like almost 6 o'clock, but I know they're packed on the inside, so I did this way because I'm not gonna wait on the inside with all those people. Not like packed, but they're packed and they have the people spread it out so they can't get any more people in there. I know 2 girls were waiting outside, sitting in their trunks. So yeah, so I worked from 9 this morning to 2 o'clock. I'm laughing at my little cousin. His mom got my grandmother a phone, and he's like, who gave grandma a phone? So yeah, I got off work like 2 hours, not 2 hours ago, an hour ago, because I just felt like, I actually need to get off here. I have 2 minutes before my telecall. So, all right, y'all, I finally got a hold of somebody. It took me over an hour past my time. So let's see what we do from here. Hi. I was just seeing on the telecall thing. So she said to come and see if you guys would accept me now.
What's your name?
Jasmine.
Was it the doctor that told you to just drive through? Yeah. You ready?
No.
So both sides. Keep your head back for me. And then turn towards me a little bit so I can get the other side.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect. Okay, so if you would pull into spot number 1, and we'll bring your results out in 15, okay?
That didn't take long. My eyebrow looked like somebody just, okay, there we go. But yeah, so I'm waiting around 15 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. But yeah, y'all, I was waiting. My appointment on the little teleconference thing was at 3:07. I waited until 3:50 something, and then I got another text message because they were getting ready to let me inside, which I didn't want to do, because if I did, I wasn't gonna be able to record. But it took them really like 50 minutes, even though they give you an appointment time, but you meet with the teledoctor or whatever you call it, and they ask you what's your symptoms and all the other stuff. So I just said, I'm a healthcare provider and not really experiencing any symptoms, like COVID symptoms, but I do want the test because I'm like so close to people, like close contact, like almost every day. So now I'm just waiting on my results. I'll get back on here when they give me my results. So, alright, y'all. The verdict is in. Da, da, da. Alright, I'm negative, which I knew, but I always like to check. I tried to, when I came back here, Sunday? Yeah, I wanted to wait a couple of days anyway to know as well, because I was out of town. See, they have, that's not my signature, but like negative is checked, and then there's no more to say. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. That was my experience getting tested for COVID. So this time it was the nasal one. I try to be as careful as possible, and I would encourage, like, if you are a healthcare provider, like, it won't hurt just to go get it done every now and then. I don't go, like I said, I don't go that often. What I said in my videos that I deleted, but I don't go like that often. But I know, like, say if I go visit my grandmother or something and I've been working and I've been around people, I'll try to go get a test before, because I don't want to like bring that around anybody, because like my fear isn't catching it, and I know that sounds really odd, but I don't know, like I just wasn't raised to like fear things. I just always believe like you'll get better. And if so many people beat this COVID, I feel like I could too, because one, my mom's a nurse, so I know like she'll really like be like pumping stuff in me, trying to get me back together. But my biggest fear isn't catching it, it's being asymptomatic and giving it to someone. That's my biggest fear. Like I'll feel so bad, like, oh my gosh, I will feel like I was driving your car and I crashed it. I will feel that same way if I was to like pass it to somebody and not know, like walking around being this silent carrier. So I like to know, I still like spend time with my family, but like not like big groups. I think the biggest thing I did since this whole COVID thing was honestly this month. Other than that, if I like spend time with my cousins or aunt, uncle, outside of just me and my mom and my dog, it's really just 2 or 3 of us, honestly. So been keeping it small, and I wear my mask. I wear these types of masks. I got a blue one somewhere around here too. I bought them from TJ Maxx, because you can just throw them in the washing machine. So total now I have like 10, because I bought 2 packs. So I wear those just to get some air. Like, oh my goodness, wearing this N95 and a surgical mask on top of it. I can't talk today. I can never talk. But wearing a surgical mask on top of the N95 mask, it's like, it's hell. It's like your body is not even getting the opportunity to cool off, because you're freaking burning up, because all you're doing is breathing back in hot air, or carbon dioxide. Like, I feel like all of our lungs are gonna be shot once this pandemic is over with these masks, except the few people that just refuse to wear a mask altogether. Pray for them. But all right, y'all, I'm about to head home. I don't really have much more to put into the vlog. Like, I had something yesterday, which I still may add. I think I'm gonna drop it in after this or before, and just put a note that it got deleted. It wasn't much footage anyway. I went to get my car wrapped, and when I got there, the whole appointment just blew up in my face, because like I just wasn't being professional or communicating. So it worked out for the best. He didn't get my service, he didn't get my money, so whatever. So hopefully I can find another person to quote me and mimic the ideal that I have for my car, and then that'll be a video. So alright, for the last time, yes, I'm going home. Talk to you guys later. Oh yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, literally. Like, if it's something you don't like, if it's something you do like, comment. Like, I'm down for the criticism. Doesn't bug me. But alright, peace out. Hey y'all, I did say the video was over, but I had to come back and do a disclaimer. So just like a hint, like if you're watching my videos, if you ever see me do like after work videos such as today, and you don't see me in my uniform top, it's because I took it off. I try to change it if I know I'm going somewhere after work, but like when COVID first started, I had the whole 9 yards in my book bag, okay? the slides, the pants, the shirt. Like, I took the entire uniform off, threw it in my trunk, and, well, threw it in the grocery bag and then threw it in my trunk. And then when I came home, I just like dropped it in the washing machine. But that got old real fast. So I was like, I know I can change my shirt. And either way, you know, if you work in any clinical setting, you want to strip at the dough. Okay? So I still take all my stuff off and drop it in the washing machine. Then I make my way to my room or whatever. So yeah, that's just my disclaimer. I had to come on here and say that because there's gonna be plenty of vlogs where I'm like, oh, I just got off work, blah blah blah, and you're gonna be like, she don't look like she's in no scrubs. But yeah, it's like kids out here selling water. Alright, this video was over 2 minutes ago. Peace out.